This is in no way formal figure a representation of any person, place, thing or animal. Any character, sound or action you think you recognise is merely a figment of your imagination. No copyright intended. Another Epicflows Production. Irish Stu, Jamaican twisted cartoon. Remember to subscribe and all that good stuff for more episodes. When stickmen talk, no man walk.
Another Epicflows Production.
The girl went out to the shop one day to buy some mutton for Granny. The girl went out to the shop one day to buy some mutton for Granny. The girl went up to the shop one day to buy some mutton for Granny. Sir, you have some mutton?
No, look, girl, me nah have none ya now.
The girl went out to the shop one day to buy some mutton for Granny. The girl went out to the shop one day to buy some mutton for Granny. The girl went up to the shop one day to buy some mutton for Granny. Sir, you have some mutton?
No, look, girl, me still nah have none.
The girl went out to the shop one day to buy some mutton for Granny. The girl went out to the shop one day to buy some mutton for Granny. The girl went up to the shop one day to buy some mutton for Granny. Sir, you have some mutton?
No, look, girl, how much time you have to tell us me nah have no mutton? It's sell off from last week.
Sir, you have no mutton yourself?
Look at you, me nah have no mutton. You want some turkey neck to buy instead?
Yo, shopkeeper, me no say beer mutton ya sell at the shop ya no. You better no make me catch a road. Meh.
Yo, dog, new Irish Stu just dropped.
Welcome to the Irish Stu. We gon' show you how Jamaicans do. Stick men run the island too.
When stick man talk,
No man walk. Irish Stu. Irish Stu. When stick man talk, me say no man walk. When stick man talk, me say no man walk. Irish Stu. Irish Stu. When stick man talk, me say no man walk. When stick man talk, me say no man walk.
Jamaican cartoon is twisted, yo. Expect anything from this twisted show. Brand new characters in this episode. Bad man, stick man in this episode.
Irish Stu. Irish Stu. When stick man talk, me say no man walk. When stick man talk, me say no man walk.
Big man talk, no man walk.
Hey, Ezekiel, you love me? Hey, Ezekiel, you would married me? Hey, Ezekiel, the lamp done over. Hey, Ezekiel, yo, Sabono!
Yo, shopkeeper, no make me have to come here and burn up that too. Cause everything I get burn up. I'm here while British far. Meh. Between the parties and the loud horrid dancehall music with these blasted girls screaming every night, I honestly wish these from nothing to somethingers would go back to where they came from. We've had enough. We the UPT KKK has had it. How this country and unruly hooligans is destroying our beautiful Uptown, and they need to leave. Oh, I totally agree. They think because they have acquired some money they are worthy to live here. These wannabe groupies praise them for no goddamn reason. Surely we need to implement some type of law that if you are not light-skinned and born rich, you cannot live Uptown. Surely we need to expel these crofts and bottom dwellers out of our region. How I totally agree. Something needs to be done.
Oh, I am sick of all these black country people. I am sick of fights like this.
Boys, how are you? would kick you with my heels on, you know. Kiss me teeth, y'all what you hear about? Y'all what you hear about? Y'all what you really hear about? Spicy are the least of my problem. Touch me and see if me no lick you with a sycamore tree. Lick me, sir. No woman can lick me after me no lollipop. Me a no sodomite like you. I know so me like it. Me will lick you with something cross your face, make you say boom, boom, boom. Spice, chat to my back, chat to my back. Mama say your bad mind bad. You don't want me prosper, that's why you're mad. Every time your man give one, you find another female in the dance hall to take it out pan. Why? So this a fight and look like it's about to start, not Tineson. Now make me have to spell it out.
Things were getting all out of hand in Jamaica as the UPTKKK deeply tries to abolish the countryman rise and desperately tries to expel and stop them from transcendent. But one man was determined to rise again in the struggle.
Hello! No umpy scumpy. Them uptowners them need to go. Meh.
War was raging between the uptowners and the country people who were rising to fame. So the UPTKKK decided to consult the sacred race of people who lived on unique scurvy divas' butts.
Order, order, order. Let us now prepare ourselves for this, the 469th meeting of the elders. Brother Poor People Bonautus, let us begin with your concerns.
Well, thank you, Father Hato. Well, my regents, they tell me of unrest in the streets of Norbrook, Father. The Uptown KKK, they're having a hard time with the ghetto youths who have infected their calm and serene paradise. They're so busy dealing with these, hooligans, they can't even suppress the rise of the country people.
Well, this is a serious matter, fellow council members. Brother Taxon Fees, what can we do about these happenings?
Father Hato, my fellow council members, my regime is without effect. Taxes and fees are at all-time highs. The income at significant lows. But we cannot keep the dirty commoners out of the Norbrook, Cherry Gardens, Stony Hills. There is more, but let me stop there. We cannot keep these commoners out of these communities.
My God, what kind of insolence, impotent, and disgraceful sham has my council become? When we were founded long ago by the great Lady Portia, we made an oath to screw over every black person and put light-skinned people at the top of this new world.
My father in corruption, Hato, please listen to me. My efforts in fighting black progress have taught me much. The blacks are not as easy to identify as they once were. A champion from the Gaza cartel, he has thrown cake soap in our eyes. Now that the common man has found ointments and potions which carry the power of the goddess, fairness, complexioness, we are confused. Upheaval, riots, and chaos, they will flow in the streets of the Uptown if something isn't done. Father Hato, I ask of you, please, turn to Counselor Badmindeutis, for his genius has provided me with hope. In the name of the goddess Fairness Complexioness, I pray his genius is enough to save our beloved fair-skinned people and this council.
Counselor Badmindeutis, speak of thine ideas. Liberate us from this black menace, if you will. Greetings, my fellow elders. It is true what Brother Fightus Progress has said. We're fighting a losing battle. That is, of course, true. unless we find a way to introduce reinforcements. Reinforcements, brother? Yes, Father Hato. It was written in the prophecy of the budget that a people from the east would aid light-skinned people in their time of need. It is written that the mighty Mother P has made offerings to the Chinese so that they will keep our black problem under control. Land, fortune, and privilege shall we grant the Chinese. In return, they shall keep our blacks at bay. They will occupy the streets of the Uptown, replenishing the once tainted blood of the Uptown KKK.
Irish Stu.
Hey guys, just remember that if you want the chance to see yourself cartooned and featured in the next episode like this guy right here, just like and comment what your favourite part was. Click these links to watch previous episodes of The Twisted Show. Thank you.
When stick man talk, me say no man walk. When stick man talk, me say no man walk.